Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Facebook marketing step by step. First, grasp the fundamental principles of social media advertising. This includes understanding how platforms like Facebook connect businesses with potential customers. Next, become comfortable navigating the Facebook Business Suite, which is your central hub for managing pages, ads, and insights. Finally, define precise marketing objectives for your campaigns, whether it's increasing brand awareness by 20% or generating 50 new leads. Now, let's craft your initial campaign. Begin by meticulously defining your target audience, considering demographics such as age and location, plus interests like hobbies or professions. This precision helps your ads reach the most relevant people. Then, select the ideal campaign objective, perhaps aiming for 1,000 new website visits or 50 app installs. Lastly, choose optimal ad placements across Facebook and Instagram to ensure maximum visibility for your message. Next, focus on designing truly effective ads. Develop compelling ad copy that resonates with your audience, paired with high-quality visuals or videos that capture attention within the first 3 seconds. Implement /B testing to compare different headlines or images, discovering what performs best. Strategically allocate your budget, perhaps spending 70% on your best-performing ad set to achieve optimal reach and conversions, maximizing every dollar spent. Finally, it's crucial to measure and continuously improve your results. Regularly monitor key performance indicators like your click-through rate, aiming for at least 1%, and your cost per result. Analyze campaign data to pinpoint areas for enhancement, perhaps adjusting your targeting or refining your ad creative. Optimize your ads weekly to maximize your return on ad spend, ensuring your marketing efforts consistently deliver strong outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.